If you've ever wondered how to change Canva size to A4, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to switch your Canva design to A4, whether you're creating a document, worksheet, flyer, or printable. I'll also show you what to do if you don't have Canva Pro, so you can still get the job done with a free workaround. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Canva tips and step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to resize. This can be an existing project you've already started or a new design that you want to adjust before exporting or printing. Once your design is open, take a look at the top bar of the editor. You should see a button labeled Resize. This is the tool Canva uses to change your design dimensions without rebuilding everything from scratch. Go ahead and click Resize. After clicking it, Canva will show you a list of preset sizes and custom options. In this case, you want to choose A4 document. Canva usually displays this as 210 by 297 millimeters. That is the standard A4 paper size, and it's commonly used for documents, reports, letters, worksheets, and printable pages. Once you select A4 document, you'll see two different ways to apply the change, depending on your plan. If you have Canva Pro, you can click Resize, and Canva will update the current design directly to A4. This is the quickest option because it keeps your project in the same file and adjusts the layout to the new size. If you're using the free version of Canva, you may not have access to direct resizing. In that case, use the Copy and Resize option instead. This creates a new copy of your design in A4 format while leaving your original version untouched. That means you can keep your original layout and work from the resized copy without losing anything. After resizing, take a moment to review your layout. When a design changes size, some elements may shift slightly, so check your text, images, spacing, and alignment. If needed, drag items into place and make sure everything fits neatly on the A4 page. This is especially important if you're making something that will be printed, because margins and spacing matter a lot. If your design contains multiple pages, you may want to check each page one by one to make sure the A4 formatting looks clean throughout the project. Canva usually does a good job of adjusting the content, but a quick review helps you catch any issues before downloading or printing. Once everything looks right, you can download your A4 design in the format you need. For print projects, PDF print is usually the best choice. For digital sharing, you might prefer PNG or PDF standard depending on the final use case. And that's it. Your Canva design is now set to A4. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, design shortcuts, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.